If you're someone looking for the fastest data speeds, you might want to hop on the 5G bandwagon, with most carriers and top-end smartphones now having support for 5G. This means getting a phone that supports 5G ensures that you get the fastest data speeds possible when within its range. But getting a phone that supports 5G doesn't have to mean breaking the bank. Hey guys, CJ here at Yugatech. In this video, we'll be checking out 5G smartphones priced under 12,000 pesos that supports 5G in 2023. Let's dive in! First up is the Tecno 5 Pro 5G that all in all offers one of the best packages at this price point. It features a 6.78-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate and a Dimensity 6080 chipset powering it. This makes it fully capable of a whole lot of tasks and games, paired with 8 gigs of RAM plus 8 gigs of extended RAM, giving you up to 16 gigs of RAM and up to 256 of internal storage. It also features a dual rear camera setup with a 50-megapixel main and a large 5,000 mAh battery. What's more is that it has support for 68 watts fast charging, making it one of the fastest charging phones at this price point. It also has a pretty striking design with LED strips featured at the back. The Tecno 5 Pro 5G currently goes for a retail price of 10,999 pesos for the 8GB plus 256GB model. If you're on a tight budget, then the Infinix Note 30 5G packs a lot of value at an affordable price. It features the same Dimensity 6080 6nm 5G processor with up to 16 gigs of RAM, with 8 being internal and the other 8 being extended RAM, while also having up to 256 GB of internal storage. It also has a large 6.78-inch display with 120Hz of refresh rate and 240Hz touch sampling rate, while also featuring dual speakers tuned by JBL. It also has an impressively large 5,000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging. All that comes in at just 9,499 pesos for the 8GB plus 128GB model. What's more is that spending just a little extra gets you the upgraded 8GB plus 256GB variant at just 9,999 pesos. Another offering from Infinix is their Infinix Zero 5G 2023, which is perfect if you're into mobile gaming on a budget. It features a stunning 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with even a 120Hz refresh rate. Underneath, it's powered by a Dimensity 1080 chipset paired with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. This ensures the phone has enough power to run any game you throw at it. Pair those with 5G support, then you're sure to have an enjoyable gaming experience on the go. The Infinix Zero 5G currently retails for 11,599 pesos for Shopee and Lazada. With ZTE making a return to the Philippines in 2023, they introduced the ZTE Blade V41 V5G that features an overall sleek-looking design. It's a respectable package with a 6.67-inch Full HD Plus IPS display with even a 90Hz refresh rate. Underneath, it has a Dimensity 810 chipset with 6 gigs of RAM and 128 GB of expandable storage. It also features a MyOS 12 that we found to be pretty snappy and enjoyable. It has a triple rear camera setup of 4,500 mAh battery, with 22.5 watts fast charging, and dual nano SIM trays. If you're a fan of ZTE, the Blade V41 V5G comes in at 11,999 pesos. Next up is a little throwback with Nokia, now making a compelling case with its new Nokia G42 5G. It features the only Qualcomm processor on this list, which is the Snapdragon 480 Plus, with up to 6 gigs of RAM plus 5 gigs of extended memory and 108 gigs of internal storage. The display itself isn't the greatest when compared to other offerings, with just a 6.56-inch HD Plus display and 90Hz of refresh rate. However, it's pretty durable with Gorilla Glass 3, as well as IP52 splash and dust resistant. It also features a triple rear camera setup and 5,000 mAh battery with 20 watts fast charging. The Nokia G42 5G's main selling point is its quick fix design for easy repairability of parts such as its display, battery, and charging ports, as Nokia has partnered with iFixit. The Nokia G42 5G is priced at 11,290 pesos for the base 4G plus 128GB model. There are 3 other smartphones released in 2023 that support 5G but didn't make the price cut. However, if you're willing to spend just a little bit over 12,000 pesos or be lucky enough to get them on a sale, then this could be worth adding to the list. This includes the Tecno Camon 20 Pro 5G, which can be priced at 11,949 pesos when on sale, with 8 gigs of RAM and 256 gigs of storage. It also features a more powerful Dimensity 8050 processor and a stunning 6.67-inch 120Hz AMOLED display. You can also go for the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G for just 12,990 pesos. With that, you get a 6.6-inch FHD Plus 90Hz display, a Dimensity 700 chipset, 6 gigs of RAM, 128 gigs of storage, and a triple-rear camera setup, all while running on Samsung's One UI. Then there's also the Poco X5 5G, which is a steal if you can find it on sale, as it goes for as low as 8,990 pesos for just 6 gigs of RAM plus 128 gig model, and just 9,990 pesos for the top spec 8 gig plus 256 gig variant. It also features the Snapdragon 695 processor, a 6.67-inch FHD Plus 120Hz AMOLED display, and 33 watts fast charging, making it one of the best value smartphones when on sale. So that wraps up this list for 5G smartphones in 2023 under 12,000 pesos. What do you think of our list? Which one did you get? Let us know in the comment section below. And if you liked this video or found it informative, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Hit that bell icon to get notified of future uploads. Make sure to follow us on Facebook, X, Instagram, and TikTok. And visit yugatech.com to stay updated with the latest tech news and reviews. Again, I'm CJ, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye!